Everyone's wondering why I always have Nubby Nails. Bam. If you're new to my channel, hi, how are ya? I've taken off my nail polish. It's so sad and broken. Well, I guess Sabrina Carpenter-inspired nails are gonna be super short. It looks bad when it's so short. I'm gonna do a peel-off base coat. I put way too much on that brush. Poop on a stick. What I need to do is wait till these dry. Dude, I need some like Tums or something. I got some acid reflux problems today. Dang, buddy. I'm gonna do a gradient with these two blues, this yellow, and this white. Wait, move out of the way. I wanted to do something with this for like clips I've seen of her concert. She wears these like tights that are extremely shiny. I thought this could represent her tights in some way. Do I even want to use the yellow? Forget about the yellow unless I end up using it. I need it to dry. It's taking forever. I'm gonna paint this color first. Oh, this is pretty. I like this blue. So I might do something in combination with these two. That's what I'm thinking in my little tiny brain. Why is it streaky? I'm gonna do this. Never enough for me. These are dry enough to touch, so I can do another layer. Getting it all in the cuticles. Oh, it's so streaky. Right, now we're gonna go in with another coat of the sheer white. Oh, poopers. I got it in my cuticle. It's way up in there, Morty. Oh, poop. Keep hitting the thing. I'll have a blue Christmas without food. Liquid latex time. Darker blue. Oh, well, I just painted that super sloppy. Whatever, it's fine. And I'm gonna take the light blue and put it at the bottom part of the sponge. It's time for dab magic. Dab, 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 dab. Please, please, please work for me. Oh, rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. Eep. Another coat. Album cover is like more of a dark blue and I have a lot of light blue. She wears like these light blue dresses, so it's fine. And I'm gonna peel off this thing so it's not crusty. I can start working on these two. And I want to use the same sponge, so I'm going to cut this top layer. Cut. Should I have the lighter color be on top and the darker color be on the bottom? Or should I do the darker color to the lighter color? These are the questions. I'm going to do lighter to darker. Why? Because I just want to be different, okay? That sheer part kind of looks like her tights. Dibby dabby dib dibby dabby dib dibby dabby dab dab. We got little crusties everywhere, so let's clean it up. Oh, I got a little dent in there. Whatever, I don't even care anymore. Put on a top coat, and then I'll do some stuff with acrylic paint. Top coat helps smooth things out. Ah, I got nail polish right there. I don't want to clean it right now, so I'll do it later when I feel like doing it. Potentially, I could just leave it like this and just be like, this is Sabrina Carpenter inspired, but it's not enough. I need more. I got acetone everywhere. How do I manage to walk and chew gum at the same time? I'm thinking of doing the lips that she has on her shoulder. I'm gonna use this. I should have put this down here so that I could put the lips down here and it would look cool. Whatever. Let's put it right here. No, here. No, here. Does that even look like lips? I don't think it does. Oh. Yeah, it looks like it kinda. Let's do a heart. I think the lips need to be bigger. Ugh, I gotta redo it. I thought it looked good too. That look good. I feel like it looks kind of not. Oh, it's kind of lopsided, that's why. Whatever. Okay, for this one, I was thinking I could write please on it or something, but that means I have to freehand paint please. And then I have this light blue and this dark blue. Okay, wish me luck. I have a feeling this isn't gonna go well because I'm writing this upside down. Oh, I need to erase that. Oh, that E is terrible. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. Okay, I think I need to write it at an angle. I think I want to write it in yellow. I write this whole thing off camera. And I feel bad because I want you all to be able to see it, but I just can't physically do it. Guys, this is as good as this is gonna get. It is not the best looking, but can you read it? Maybe. I'm gonna be posting this. Yikes. I'm gonna be using white acrylic paint. I'm gonna put a big heart on my pinky with a big dotting tool. Bloop. Oh, this is a lot of paint. Holy crap. I didn't think that through. And look, it's off center. Like everything else I do. Ugh, I can't handle it. I'm gonna redo it. I ruined my heart, but I don't care anymore. Oh, I have to care. That's so bad. I can't believe how many times I'm gonna have to redo this freaking heart. It's a better heart, but it's like crooked. I don't care anymore, okay? If you're wondering why I'm talking so softly, it's because my boyfriend's sleeping in the other room and I'm trying not to wake him up. Those letters look like poop. I'm just so bad at painting letters. I'm gonna take my striping brush and make some swirly loops. I probably shouldn't do this with a striping brush, actually. Let's do this with a regular brush, like a normal person. Can I paint an S and then a C? Okay, it's not horrible. Please don't mess up. I wonder if I can thin out these letters by cleaning them up a bit, you know? This is as good as it's gonna look, okay? Okay? Can you all be okay with that? I'm kind of tempted to try to clean out the middle of this heart. Ugh, now I gotta clean off the whole thing. Okay, it's not perfect, but it looks better than it did when it was colored in. This isn't horrible, people. Let's put some top coat on. This took me 2 hours. Ugh. And by the way, this finger, my thumb, is just gonna have the gradient. It's not gonna have anything else, okay? Do. I think it came out okay, you know? I still like my Elphaba and Glinda design better, but I think this is kind of cute and as close to a Sabrina Carpenter-inspired thing as I could possibly do on camera. If you liked this video, check out some of these other videos I got over here. I'm tickling the other videos. Can you see? Tickle, 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 tickle. Okay, I am so stupid. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you next time. Bye!